As part of their commitment to advocating for citizens' rights, the Isa Wali Empowerment Initiative, with support of the Rule of Law and Anti-Corruption Program, organized Symposium with film screening on the administration of criminal justice law in Kano. The symposium, which was segmented into panel discussion, question and response from participants, and a screenplay of the movie, which explained the rule of administration of criminal justice law and its application process. While presenting a speech during the symposium, the Kano State Chief Judge explained the rudiment of the law and why it matters.
The reasons behind the ACGL was to bridge the gap in the delay of the administration of criminal justice, and then to decongest the dockets of the judges and the magistrates. And then the police abuse of powers of arrest granted them, and the excessive imprisonment, and then the correctional centers to be decongested due to the high number of awaiting trial persons.
However, Justice Salba Ahmad Nambapa also explained the schedule of unnatural offenses and child protection law.
The issue is unnatural offense has been defined by the penal code. It says it is an offense against the order of nature. That is the only definition. And if you open the CPC at the back side, that is the table. It says it is triable by the High Court. If at all it is an offense against the order of nature, and that means it is against the personal human being. It is an offense against personality and nothing more. Why should it be taken to the High Court then? If it is just personal integrity and status in the society or to your own self. So there is no need to, if it is being taken to the High Court, that means that particular person needs a lawyer, because you cannot go to the Superior Court without having a legal representation. And is it possible at this dispensation of time, the pro bono services is so minimal and the cost of processes, of the court processes, is so huge that starts from 500 naira and above? How would you assist a child in that direction? And we all know how Legal Aid Council is doing. They have short manpower, and even the Ministry of Justice, Citizens' Rights Department, are they equally up to the task? So that means a child will be relinquishing there at the remand home.
Barrister Abdurazak called on the Nigerian police to stop the suspect parade, as such contradict the criminal justice law.
And that is what we're saying. This is part of the violation of human dignity. By the time you arrested somebody, before being convicted guilty, you've paraded him to show that he has committed an offense, which is whether known or unknown to the law. That person's dignity has been drawn in the mud. And therefore, there must be a consequence for that. And that is why the law said you shouldn't do that, so that you wait until when that person is convicted. The authorities like the police, the law enforcement agencies should try as much as possible to do away with convicting suspect before being brought before the court of law.
With this, we hope the administration of criminal justice law will improve respect for human rights and reduce crime rate in Nigeria. Abubakar Ismail Gangara reporting from Kano.